Vrbo versus Airbnb 2025, which is safer to book? Most people get vacation rentals wrong by assuming all platforms offer the same protection. In 2025, both Vrbo and Airbnb provide safety measures, but there are differences. Airbnb offers verified hosts, secure payments, and a robust resolution center. You won't believe what happens next. Airbnb also provides guest and host reviews, giving transparency before booking. Vrbo emphasizes property owners with insurance options and detailed property vetting. The surprising truth is that Vrbo's focus on whole home rentals reduces conflicts compared to shared spaces. Payment security is strong on both platforms, and both offer customer support for disputes. Airbnb has more global listings, while Vrbo is popular in the US and for family stays. In conclusion, both Vrbo and Airbnb are safe in 2025. Choose Airbnb for variety and verified guest reviews, and Vrbo for family-oriented rentals and dedicated insurance protections. Your choice depends on your travel preferences and the type of accommodation you want.